Hello, I am Li Fei. Today I will talk about a very important idea. It is called intersectionality. Professor Complication Shu made this idea famous. I want to start with a story. In 1976, 5 black women worked at General Motors. They said the company was not fair to them, but the code said no to them. Why? Because the old rule could only see one problem at a time. It could see race problems, or it could see gender problems, but it could not see when both problems happen together. So, the code didn't help those women. This makes me think. How many people have problems that we can't see because we only look at one thing? This is why we need intersectionality. It is a tool to help us think better. It tells us our identity is like many pieces. Pieces like our race, our gender, and our money. Their pieces are not separate. They are connected. They work together. For example, a black woman's life is not just a black life plus a woman's life. It is a new special kind of life. It is both things at the same time. Professor Kenshu says the old way of thinking is wrong. She is called it single analysis. Intersectionality tells us to look at all the pieces together. So how can I use this tool? I can use it to look at my own life. Who am I? I am a student. I am a woman. I have a country. I have an ethnicity. These are my pieces. Now, I can ask 2 easy questions. Question 1. When do my pieces help me? When do they make me life easy? For example, being a student at university is a good thing here. Question 2. When do my pieces make life hard? When do I feel like I don't belong? Maybe sometimes in the news or in some rules people like me are not sure where. A smart person named Dostoevsky talks about this. She says sometimes our place in life is easy, unproblematic. Sometimes it is hard, problematic. I can also use this tool to look at the world. Let's talk about a popular idea. Women's empowerment. Intersectionality makes us ask good questions. Firstly, which woman are we talking about? Many people think of a rich woman from the West, but women are not all the same. Secondly, which women get help? Which women are forgotten? For example, what about women who clean houses in other countries? Or women who cannot walk or see? We often don't hear these stories. This idea connects to other smart people, like Chan Mahanti. She says we must not think all women are the same. This is why intersectionality is good. It makes feminism a tool for real justice, not just right words. So, what is intersectionality? It is not just a story in a book. It is sometimes we do. It is a practice of 3 things. Firstly, looking inside myself to know who I am. Secondly, looking outside at the world to see how power works. Thirdly, listening carefully to people we normally don't hear. It doesn't give us easy answers, but it helps us ask better questions. For me, this will be my garden in my study and in my life. It touches to think more and to be good. Thank you.